Hey everyone, welcome back to Geek Strong. In today's video, it's going to be a little different. I decided to do kind of like a room tour, but not a room tour. What I want to do is show you some images of my collection that you may have never seen before. I'm going to do it in a different way. With the help of our friends from Sesame Street here, we're going to sing the ABC song. So, yeah, that's right, the ABC song. No, don't leave, stay. So, when you hear the letter A, you might see an image of Elf, and so on and so on. You probably don't know, I actually sing pretty good. I do a lot of impersonations, and I do a pretty decent impersonation of Usher. So, what do you say? Let's do this.
Let's do it. Clap your hands.
The alphabet, they're your ABCs. They can help you move, so get up and dance for me. A, move your arm. B, bounce like a ball. C, kick like a crustacean and do the Krabby Crawl. D, body duck down. E, elbows out. F, fingers flap and flutter about.
Move your body to the letters, that's what you do. It's the ABCs, I'm moving you.
Yeah. G, glide once.
H,
Hop twice.
I,
Start to shiver like you're covered in ice.
J,
Everybody jump.
K,
The air. L, lift your leg and shake it everywhere.
move your body to the letters, you know it's true. It's the ABCs, I'm moving you.
M, make a muscle.
N,
Give a nod.
O,
Move like an octopus, it's not that hard. Take it up now. P,
Point,
Q, quiver,
R,
run,
S,
slither. So many letters in the alphabet. What about T? Right. Turn around, cause we're not done yet.
U,
S for Usher.
V,
Play the violin.
W,
Wiggle again and again. Okay, that's enough.
X,
Make an X.
Y,
Yeah, man.
Z,
Zoom around, cause Zoom is the best. Pull to all the letters, and now we're through. Oh,
ABCs, I'm moving you.
yeah.
The ABCs, I'm moving you. Yeah!